They're wild and fun. Just wait and see. It's Rabby, Turdy, and Draggy on Three Idiots TV. They're wild and fun. Just wait and see. It's Rabby, Turdy, and Draggy on Three Idiots TV.
Hey friends! Did you know your body is like a water-filled treasure chest? Discover why sipping water is the secret key to energy, health, and fun every hour. Let's jump in. The three friends felt weary. They felt something is missing.
Wow, what's that? A carnival ticket? From the clouds?
But this was no ordinary carousel. It spun only with sips.
What? The carousel is empty. No riding animals? What is going on?
But I saw the riding animals before. They were there.
Sip, sip, hooray! Spin the fun today. Drink your water, bright and true. Energy spins inside of you. The three friends understand that they have to sip water to get onto the carousel.
Pretend silly.
Sip, sip, hooray, spin the fun today. Drink your water, bright and true.
La la la, come ride with us, it's so much fun.
Sip, sip, hooray, spin the fun today. Drink your water, bright and true. Sip, sip, hooray, spin the fun today. Drink your...
Hey, Rabby, why do you drink water all the time?
You know, our body has to maintain more than 50% water inside. Otherwise, it won't function well.
What do you mean?
If we don't keep enough water in our body, we get tired very quickly. Our mind can't think well, and we tend to make mistakes.
All right, from now on, we will carry our water bottles too.
I already have it covered for you today.
Thank you, Rabby. You are our best friend.
Sip, sip, hooray, spin the fun today. Drink your water, bright and true. Energy spins inside of you. Glug, glug, let's cheer. Water power's here. Sip it slow, sip it fast. Feel the energy that will last.
Thank you all for watching this here video.